How to make birthday story on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. To make a birthday story on Instagram, what you can simply do is launch the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Also, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection so that you can post or make your birthday story on Instagram much faster. So simply tap on your story option at the top left corner of the screen. As you do that, simply tap on the story option at the bottom of the screen again. So you can just tap on the camera icon and then click a picture, or you can either put a picture of your friend whose birthday it is. So after doing that, simply tap on the sticker icon at the top, and then here you can tap on the GIF option and then search for. As you search for it, you can see different emojis or different GIFs that are related to the birthday options. So I'm going to put on this one, like happy birthday, and you can tag the other people. You can also add music over here. So just tap on the birthday option, and here you can select any of these songs, tap on done, and that's how you make birthday story on Instagram. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.